Welcome back, everyone. If you've ever wondered how to remove a payment method from your Wix website, you're in the right place. Maybe you're changing providers, or perhaps you just want to tidy up and disconnect an old business account. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confident about managing your payment settings on Wix. No more confusion or worries about lingering connections. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Wix account. Go to wix.com and enter your credentials. If you're managing multiple sites, make sure you've selected the correct one where you want to update the payment settings. It's a small step, but it's important. Otherwise, you might end up editing the wrong site. If you're already logged in, great. You can skip ahead. Now, once you're inside your Wix dashboard, you'll want to find the Settings option. This is located right at the bottom of the sidebar on the left side of your screen. Scroll down if needed and give it a click. Sometimes the dashboard can feel a little overwhelming with all the options and menus, but remember, Settings is your central hub for all sorts of site management, including payments. Alright, inside the Settings menu, look for a tab or section labeled Accept Payments. This is where Wix lets you manage how you get paid through your website. The Accept Payments area gathers all the payment options you've set up: credit cards, PayPal, Stripe, or others you might have linked. If you've ever connected a payment method before, like when you first started selling your products or services, this is exactly where those connections live. Now, here comes the part where we actually remove the payment method. Take your time finding the specific provider you want to disconnect. You'll probably see a list or icons representing each one. For example, maybe you've been accepting payments via PayPal, but you want to switch to Stripe or vice versa. Click on the payment provider you want to remove. Wix will open up the details about that connection. At this point, what you're looking for is the option to disconnect or remove the payment method. Depending on your setup, there might be a button that says disconnect, delete, or something similar. Go ahead and click it. If Wix asks you to confirm, just double-check you're removing the correct method, especially if customers currently use it, then proceed. This part might take a moment, so don't worry if you see a loading spinner. Disconnecting a payment method won't delete any of your transaction history, so you don't need to worry about losing important records. It simply means customers won't be able to select that payment provider when they make a purchase in the future. If you ever want to reconnect it or add a new one, you can do that from the same Accept Payments page, so nothing is permanent if you change your mind later. And that's it. You've now successfully removed a payment method from your Wix site. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in keeping your business streamlined and up to date. If this tutorial helped you, I'd love it if you hit that like button. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or need more guidance. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical Wix tutorials and tips to help you grow your website with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.